Hey guys, this is Shaurya. Today we're gonna compare Hyundai Creta with Kia Seltos and find out which one makes more sense in buying. Coming to the engines, both offer the same under the hood. In petrol, the Seltos and Creta offer a 1.5-liter engine in the lower trims and 1.4-liter turbocharged engine in their higher trims. In diesel, both offer the same 1.5-liter motor in all the trims. So what is the differentiating factor between both of these when they offer the same engine? It is the features. Both cars have their unique and segment leading features, so let's see and compare the features that they both offer. So let's begin with the features that Creta has over Seltos. Paddle shifters. The new Creta has automatic transmission like its rival, but the thing that makes it a bit more special is its paddle shifters. They have been added to make the overall driving feel more sportier. The electric parking brake with auto hold feature. While the Seltos also gets an electric parking brake, but the Creta has an extra auto hold feature that Seltos lacks. This feature adds more convenience and safety since it automatically applies brakes when the vehicle comes to an halt, thus preventing it from rolling when on inclination. Rear headrest cushions. We generally find these in a Mercedes E-Class or other luxury cars, but they made their way into the new Creta. This gives the extra feel of luxury and comfort for rear seat passengers. The one-touch cruise control. This feature is for added convenience. As soon as you touch the cruise button, it gets instantly into the cruise mode, while the Seltos gets normal cruise control where you have to set the speed and then it gets turned on. Touch-enabled air purifier. This feature is available in Seltos too, but in Creta you have a separate screen and controls on the armrest where the rear seat passengers can also control it. ORVM welcome function with puddle lamps. When you have the smart key with you and you are around the car, then the rear view mirrors automatically open and the puddle lamps turn on when you open the door. It's just a small element of convenience and luxury. Voice command with BlueLink. The Creta has got 50 connected car features. It has some additional commands too. One of them is that panoramic sunroof can be opened using the voice command. The remote engine start and stop feature is available in both Seltos and Creta, but in Creta it is available in both manual and automatic variants, while in Seltos it is limited only to automatic variants. The semi-digital instrument cluster. The one in Creta is a party piece. It has different effects for each driving mode and it has loads of information too. The panoramic sunroof. Some of its rivals like MG Hector, Tata Harrier have got this feature, but Hyundai has gone a step further by adding the voice control functionality to the sunroof. Many people love this feature as it makes the cabin well lit and more airy. Now let's jump over to the features that Seltos offers over the Creta. The 360 degrees parking camera. This feature adds more convenience and safety while parking in a tight spot. This shows a 360-degree view of the car so you can easily maneuver the car in congested lanes with confidence. The blind spot monitoring system. This system will indicate whatever is coming from behind you on whichever side you indicate for. It is proven to be very useful while changing lanes. The heads-up display. This display provides all the necessary data like speed, fuel, distance traveled and navigation without you looking away from the road. The front parking sensors. This feature makes it easier to park and maneuver the car in tight spaces. The 1.4-liter turbo petrol is available in both automatic and manual variants in the Seltos, but in Creta it is offered in only automatic variant, which is a bit disappointing for manual drivers because the powerful turbo petrol is really fun to drive with a manual gearbox, which is available in the Seltos. The multicolored ambient lighting. The Seltos gets mood lighting too, which changes in sync with the beat of the music playing through the car's media system. Also, you can choose from a wide range of colors that are available. Rear center headrest. This is a bit unusual feature in a car of this segment. It provides more comfort to the passenger sitting in the middle. The tilt and telescopic steering. The steering can be moved both upwards and forwards as well as frontwards and backwards. This is more convenient as the Creta gets only tilt steering wheel. The LED fog lamps. This provides more lighting and a unique style to the car too. The OVO Connect. This is a connected car software that Kia offers. This too has plenty of features like the Creta, but it lacks the additional commands that Creta has. Coming to the verdict, it entirely depends on you about which car to choose. Both are identical under the hood and the price point of the two cars are also pretty much the same, so it depends on the features you like. The Seltos offers more safety-oriented features like 360-degree camera, blind spot monitoring system, etc., while the Creta offers more luxury-oriented features like panoramic sunroof, etc. Choosing between these two is to your liking and fascination for the features that they offer. That's it guys, if you think I've done a fair comparison, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you comment below.